Guys, comment on yeah, how you guys doing? C'est True Beauty qui est là avec nous today. True Beauty here with you guys. Coming to you quick, and easy. A little baby lime beans rice. Last time I did vegetable rice, but this time it's this with some poul, chicken feet. That's what it's called. And it's gonna be fast and simple, not long. Okay, quick, simple stuff. So, come along with me. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share. For somebody else, they might want to know how to do it. You might know, but they might not. So yeah, and thank you for watching. All right, so this is the water for the chicken feet. So what's in there is vinegar, salt, and lemon. And I'm about to clean the chicken. Okay, about to clean the chicken. And this is the bean. This is the coconut water for the rice. Okay, the water here for the chicken to show it. So after you're done cleaning the chicken, you season it with the lime. Then you put it in here for like 4 to 5 minutes. So I'll be right back with you guys, just showing it to you guys. So this is the same thing: lemon, water, and vinegar and salt. All right. So I'm gonna let it heat up a little, and I'm gonna quickly clean the chicken. I'm not gonna turn on the stove yet because I gotta make sure the chicken get good seasoning. Okay, I'll be back with you guys. So guys, I'm back with you guys. So this is how you clean the chicken feet. You gotta take out these. Okay, so I'm gonna take it out for you guys to see how you do it. Okay. See, and you gotta do this and take out the veins. Okay, so you take out the veins and that's about it. Okay, I'll be right back. I'm about to use the lemon on the chicken feet to give it some good lemon juice, some seasoning. So I love when my meat have a lot of seasoning. It tastes good. It has spice and seasoning. Okay, so I'm gonna make sure I put the camera down so you could get all the juice of the lemon, and I'm gonna let it sit there for like 20 to 30 minutes so you could get the juice. Okay, then I'll come back with you guys. Okay, so it's been in there for about 6 minutes now, and it's still in there getting all the juice. Okay, so yeah, beans. Okay, so it might it was in a bag, but I'm still washing it. Please don't be dirty because you guys don't know where it has been, so you gotta wash it before you put your rice to it. Okay, wash your beans. That you don't know where they have been. All right, good. Okay, so I'm gonna turn on the stove. All right, so let's get to it. Okay guys, so I add the oil. Okay, I'm letting it get hot a little bit, then I'm putting the beans in it so it could fry a little bit. After that, I'm coming to you guys with the next step. I add the beans, and I frying with the oil. Okay, frying with the oil. Then after that, when it's fried for a little bit of time, like a minute or two, then I'm gonna add the épices. Okay, the Haitian épices, the seasoning. It's frying, so I'm adding the épices. Okay, I'm adding the épices to the beans now, so it could fry with the épices. A little bit more. Baby, get away from the stove, please. It's time for the coconut juice, okay? So that's the one I'm using. Okay? You see it? Okay? The juice is in it, so I'm gonna cover it for like 2 minutes for it to, get this stuff together, the beans, So I'll be right back. Add the chicken to the water. Remember this? So we're gonna add the chicken now. Since it's been in there for a while now, I think it got all the juice that it needs. Plus this, it got some good juice also. So I'm also gonna add these also. Ooh, I got burned. Sorry guys. Okay, so I'm gonna let it boil just a little bit. Then I'm gonna remove it to season the chicken and stuff with the water, okay? The Maggi, the pimas, okay? I'm not making a lot of rice. That should be it. I think this should be it. Okay. Add the pima. Okay. The pima's added. Onyambal mete tibe. Oops, you guys didn't see it, but it's right here. Okay, madon to anti-belada. I usually use the yellow one, but I don't have it, so I use the regular spread. Okay, which is this. You see this one? That's the one. Not too much. A little bit of salt, okay? Make sure you guys add a little bit of salt so the rice have salt. Goes the chicken feet. Okay, so first off, I'm gonna add the ippies. This is the yellow rice, guys. I'm using the yellow. Last time it was some Mexican rice, so this one is the yellow, and I'm only washing it one time. And please make sure you guys wash the rice. Don't listen to people telling you don't wash the rice. You don't know where it's been, what it's been through, you know where it's from. Wash the rice. Too much sickness out there. Okay, yeah guys, so adding a little bit of lemon juice, a little bit more, okay, a little bit more, adding a little bit more salt, okay, adding the pima, the spice pima, okay, and we're gonna share style piti, but this time baguette amusa. Okay, that's it. Wait, okay, then make our spell. Yeah, oi, bye bestie, I'm down more. Now we want Mario, a little bit more Maggi, okay, a little bit Maggi. Alright, so I'm gonna let it sit there for a bit, and then I get to put it boil. I'm gonna put it to boil in just a moment. It's almost finished. Which I hope that I'm gonna cover it with a plastic bag, and then I'm gonna cover it and let it finish. Okay, covering the rice. Okay guys, that's it guys. Diri fini guys. Okay, so now is the time for the people to go bouillir. The rice is finished, and when I tell y'all I'm using sauce, them di nou pa bezen sauce, ou pa même bezen sauce. If I got pile pois, now only buy me pois, but if I got pile pois. But let me tell y'all, okay? Li go. So now I'm gonna mettre pied poule dans boui pour mal faire la goût pied poule, like my mama call it. Yeah guys, so mettre pied poule dans boui, me quitter le petit boui. Je mettre un petit casse là. So il y a boui ba ça pour prendre bon acide là pour ba acide là là dedans. Quand y a là, il presque fin bagay là et puis me rajouter un petit tas de l'eau encore. S'inspirer pour pas bouillir en pile. Et on va goût m'a fait avec, on va mettre un peu de l'eau. So, li déjà goût pour tête li, on va ajouter rien, juste un petit bain avec un petit tas de l'eau. Yeah, on va mettre un petit pas de tomate, oui. Konya là. Guys, I had removed everything in it. I had removed the tomatoes, I had removed everything. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of hot tomato. And I'm gonna add a little bit of Maggi. Okay, and I'm gonna add the onions in just a moment. That's it. Simple. I'm not gonna complicate anything. I'm not complicated. Okay, so I'm not complicated rien, so I'm just mettez ça. Come here, maman. And there it goes. Really? So a little bit of that. Okay, so I just add a little butter and a little bit of Maggi, a little bit, and I just wash it on just like that, you know. But it's basically done. So I gotta feed my baby. So it was a pleasure being with you guys. Please subscribe, like, and share whatever you choose to do. But that's it. I ain't gonna do anything else. That's it. Okay, so it's done. And yes, it's delicious. You don't need to complicate stuff. Okay, when you know how to cook, you don't complicate. Okay, but it's tasty. So yeah, bye guys, and thank you for watching. Team bless.